Menina linda, tu és perfeita, tu me fascinas. Chega pra cá, eu tenho tanto pra te contar. O teu olhar encontrou meu, provocar em mim desejo, sem hesitar.
And just guys, I just surprised my wife with a little getaway. She's been off like for 1 week. We could not go anywhere, so I decided to do something beautiful for her.
Plus 3 hours to look for a park.
That's the bed. Can you see here? And that's the beautiful thing.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
And she liked it.
Oh my gosh.
So, and then I made a little surprise. It's gonna be that
Oh look,
thing.
baby, your machine.
Yeah, I did this little surprise for her. I asked them to put something in the room, and it's what happened. And then she's so crazy. Look at her. And she's
I love it, baby.
And she's smiling.
I was not smiling like a few minutes ago. I was just like frustrated. I was like, let's just go home. I didn't even know why we were here, because he didn't tell me why we were here. But now, I love you, baby, so much. Thank you. This is so beautiful. That's beautiful.
And she's looking everywhere. And you know, I like the room anyway.
Yeah, because we were
And
like...
we have this little machine so we can make our
we
little
had
coffee.
to get here. They give us
you
a
want.
better room. Tell them, baby. Can I
And
have one, baby?
Look the view outside.
Can I eat one, please? I'm hungry.
Okay, you can eat whatever you want, my love.
Are we gonna eat?
If you wanna go
Hey, he
to.
said that the breakfast is at 6 o'clock, so we...
Okay, so now she's talking about the breakfast. So
Can I have a strawberry?
check this before and look. We have an espresso machine, an espresso coffee, and an espresso machine is here. I actually have the same home. Anyway. And look at her. Oh. Yeah. That was it. And I so now I'm going to rest, and after we're going to eat something, and then say bye, babe.
Bye-bye.